Real estate is a unique industry. Even in the times of global pandemic, real estate businesses flourished. And right now, more people want to become a part of it than ever before. While many people are drawn to this profession, it's a good thing to know what this line of work consists of. That's why at Placester, we've conducted a survey where we asked agents with different years of experience about their career and their daily routines. Some of our respondents have over 10 years of experience in the field, and they provided us with very interesting insights that I want to share with you in this video. Before we get into survey results, let's see how many people become real estate agents in the US in past years. Right now, thousands are seeking their license to sell. According to NAR, in 2021, there was a record number of agents in the US. More than 156,000 people joined their ranks in 21 and 2020 combined. That's nearly 60% more than 2 years prior. Among the states that saw the biggest increase in the number of licensed agents are Georgia, Texas, and Florida. With that in mind, we decided to dive deeper into daily and weekly routines, habits, and priorities of real estate professionals. And here is what we have found. What drives many people into the real estate world is a low barrier to entry. All you need is license and a brokerage. Time flexibility, where you have more control over your day, is also a huge benefit. But if you expect a low-hour workweek, I have to disappoint you. Only 22% of agents work less than 30 hours a week. Nearly half of them work 30 hours or more. A big chunk of that time is consumed by marketing and advertising. 62% of agents said they spent at least an hour a day marketing themselves and their listings. Next came prospecting and lead generation. 60% of agents said they prospect on a daily basis, with more than a quarter of them spend several hours a day finding new leads. New agents start out with buyers, usually friends or family. Listings are harder to get, but they are key to make a good living, especially in the market that highly favors sellers. Now let's talk about earnings and spendings. It's a popular practice to start a real estate journey part-time. Only 22% of agents said they were able to support themselves financially in less than 6 months. For many agents, it wasn't much longer. A third of our respondents said it took them between 6 months to a year. Regarding costs, the most significant expense for agents is transportation. Second biggest expense are professional dues and fees. And the third item is online marketing, with 31% of pollers admitting they spend over $1,000 a year on promotion. We also asked agents about education and technology. It was illuminating for us that 53% of agents spent over $500 on technology and software. 22% of agents cited smartphone was the most important technology for their business, followed by transaction management tool, CRM systems, email marketing, and social media. And 90% of agents use Google Analytics to evaluate their marketing efforts. As you can see, a real estate agent career has many benefits, but also requires of you to have very strict control over your time. Feel free to check all the results of our survey if you want to start your journey as a realtor. Also, don't forget to read our guide where we present 8 steps to become a real estate agent. I'll see you in the next one.